Hi everyone and welcome to Doc's Thoughts. So I'm going to talk briefly about collagen powder. It's something that I use personally in my life. My patients ask me about it all the time and my friends ask me about it all the time. So what is collagen? It is the most abundant protein in your body. It's kind of like a building block and it makes up connective tissue. So connective tissue is part of your bones, your muscles, your tendons, your cartilage. So obviously really, really important. And if you think of it like scaffolding, so it's like these building blocks to give structure and strength to these things in your body. A lot of people have used it for anti-aging. If you can imagine, as you age, you lose that plumpness, you get saggy, you lose some of the extracellular matrix and structure, and so that's where the wrinkles come in. And so collagen is reported to help boost that, plump it up, anti-age, etc. But there are also people who use collagen for gut health and the integrity of your gut lining, hair growth, joint health, so building up that joint structure so there's less pain and inflammation. And the caveat of all this is there's never been a long-term study that proves that collagen works, but there also have been some positive studies that do show that it possibly does work. And so my answer to everyone who asks me if they should use it or not is give it a try. If you see benefits in the areas that you're trying to improve, then it's definitely something you can use. There's not a lot of risk to it. The biggest downfall is its cost. The form I usually recommend for patients is in a powder. It's hard to take collagen in capsule form because you have to take a lot of capsules and I think you'll get pill fatigue. So the powder is probably the best way to do it. I like to mix mine just with plain water. Sometimes I'll put some magnesium in it. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of tart cherry juice in it. Or you can put it in your coffee. Whatever works for you is fine. You can put it in a smoothie. You can do it once or twice a day. I usually just do mine once a day and just see how it works. The last thing to say, however, is collagen can't make up for an unhealthy lifestyle. So things like excessive sun exposure, crappy diet, too much alcohol, unhealthy living, those things will break down all the parts that you're trying to heal, and collagen will never be strong enough to erase the damage that those things will do. So you guys know, like I'm saying, you're not gonna be perfect. So I personally use collagen for makeup for the parts of my lifestyle where I'm not perfect, which is a lot. But it's not going to make up for things if you're living a very unhealthy lifestyle. So if you're in that situation, focus on that first, and then collagen can be looked at as more of like a booster or like a icing on the cake once you feel like you've gotten your body in a more healthy state. So if you guys have any questions, I'd love to see them in the comments below. Thanks again for staying tuned, and I'll talk to you soon.